Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.6, Problem 20. This is Section 3.6, Problem number 20. It says write the number as a decimal. We have 3 7/8. So the 3 in front, I'll just ignore it. I know I'm going to get 3 point something. I'll convert 7/8 to a decimal and then take my answer and put a 3 in front. Now, I mentioned with most of these, if you happen to have a calculator that you can use, getting a decimal equivalent for a fraction just involves doing the numerator divide by the denominator equals, and the calculator will give you the answer immediately. Now, I don't happen to have the calculator with me, so what we do is write the fraction as a division. You do the numerator under the division symbol and the denominator in front of the division symbol. So, 8 divides into 7. 7's not big enough, it won't fit. So write the 7 as a 7.0, but treat it as if it's a 70. And when I do that, that decimal has to come straight up in my answer. So now, 8 divides into 70. It will go in 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64 is 6. So it didn't go in evenly, so what I have to do is put another 0 for the number that's under the division symbol and bring that 0 straight down. That 6 with the 0 under it is a 60, so now I divide 8 into 60. So 8 times something gets me pretty close to 60. It will be 8 times 7. So 7 times 8 is 56. And then 60 minus 56 is 4. So that didn't go in evenly. So I have to put another 0 next to the number on top. Bring it straight down next to the 4. So now that 4 is a 40. 8 divides into 40. Well, that does go in perfectly. It goes in 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. I have 40 minus 40. Now the remainder is 0, so I'm done. It's 0.875. Now remember, I wasn't just doing 7/8. It was 3 7/8. So there's really a 3 in front of that. So the decimal equivalent of 3 7/8 is 3.875.